Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So someone asked me a question on how he or she can fill out the address form on Temu. I'll show you how. Now, once you log into your Temu app, look below here where you have home, categories, local delivery, free, that's your cart, and you. Click on the U icon, and then you would see another section, history, addresses, following. Following means stores you follow. Now click on addresses, and there you have it. You would see add a new address. Click on that and fill out your information. Your name, the country where you're located will be automatically chosen for you, but if not, you can set that. Fill in your first name, your last name, input your phone number, and you can just write out your address here, and Temu would use their app to just automatically fill out your correct address. But if that doesn't happen, you can click on enter address manually. Okay, and then you can fill out your streets, your house number, your town, city, and your postcode, and then click on save. Once you save, is saved. Okay, whenever you're done placing your order on Temu, you can just check out. You wouldn't have to do it all over again. But then, even if you do not go through this route, this is another way you can do it. Just add items to cart. All right, let's assume I'm adding this to cart and I want to check out. Yes, Temu will also bring you to this address section, okay? Because you can't check out if you don't have any address. So I have all this in my cart. I have not set my address, and I click on checkout. They'll bring you to this address section. So it's that easy. This is how you can set your address on the Temu app. I hope this helps. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.